have a doubt in question. The numerical, the third numerical.
Which numerical?
Third one.
Third one. Huh? Say.
Sir, the second part.
Second part is what? Is it uniform? That only. That is that one.
For second part, you have written initial u is equal to v1 is equal to 28 upon 3 meter per second is to minus 1. Then you have written v is equal to v2, that is equal to 31 upon 3 meter per second raised to minus 1. And time you have written 2 seconds. After that, you have told that acceleration, you have given the formula v minus u upon t. After that, you have subtracted, that is 3 upon 3. I now understood.
Understood?
Yes.
Have you understood or I have to explain?
I understood it, sir.
Okay. Now come to sum number 4. A body initially at rest means what?
Sir, at starting it was at rest.
U equals to 0.
Yes.
U equal to 0. Starting it was at rest. This is just different form what you said. Initially at rest, starting at rest. Same hi ho gaya na? In notation you have to tell me what it is. Hello Sudhanshu?
Yes, sir.
If somebody says initially at rest and you say starting at rest, that has got same thing you told in different way.
Yes, sir.
So that is not expected. Expectation is who is 0, u or v. So u is 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
It is moving with constant acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Calculate velocity acquired and distance traveled. Velocity acquired means v, distance traveled means s, in time 2 seconds, 5 seconds. Is v u plus at?
Yes, sir.
U is 0, a is 2 and t is 5. So 0 plus 10 equal to 10 meter per second. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Any connection between v, u, a, s?
Sir, S is equal to V
S
square.
equals to half AT square plus UT.
Ut plus half at square also we can do. Yes. Or s equal to ut plus half at square. Correct. So directly we'll get s. What is u? Is it 0?
Yes.
And t is 5
Yes.
plus half. A is 2 into t square means 5 square. 2
Yes.
2s. 0 plus 25 equals to 25 meter. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Solve. Solve. Fourth one.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Done.
Done, sir.
Fifth. A bullet. Is it bullet train? Bullet?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Bullet.
बुलेट ट्रेन बुलेट से फास्ट होती है.
तो ये कौन सा बुलेट का बात कर रहे
Gun
हैं?
bullet.
सोनी की बुलेट होती है ना.
From the from the pistol or from gun. A bullet initially moving with 20 meter per second. Initially means u or v?
You.
20 meter per second. Strikes target and comes to rest. Means मतलब ये बुलेट ऐसा निकला bullet, it hits something, target मतलब it can be wood, block, anybody, इधर जाके रुक गया, but it travels distance of, inside it travels distance of 10 centimeter in the target. So 10 upon 100 equals to 1 upon 10 meter. Any doubt in this information?
No, sir.
Find retardation means negative acceleration. V, U, S are present. Any connection between V, U, S?
Sir, S is equal to, okay, V square is equal to U square plus 2S.
Any relation between V, U and S?
Sir,
V
S is equal to,
S equals A. S is equal to
UT plus half AT square.
See, I think you people are not concentrating well. I said V, U, S. So why you are starting with S? If you start with S, तो खाली U आएगा ना?
Sir, acceleration formula A is equal to V minus U upon T.
We can't use because time is missing. We have to use that where U is present, V is present, S is present, A is present. So I have written C here formula. Can't you see that?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Why I am not going by S is UT plus half AT square? Because neither A is known nor T is known. है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
So can I think of this formula? दूसरा लिया तो पोपट होएगा ना?
Yes.
हाँ सर.
अभी देखो पोपट मत उड़ाओ हाँ? So which formula I should use?
V square is equal to U square plus 2AS.
And anybody is having doubt why, sir, we are not using V is U plus AT?
Because A and T both are missing.
In one equation, one known unknown चलेगा. मतलब गोली एक आदमी दो चलेगा क्या? हेलो, गोली एक आदमी दो चलेगा नहीं ना? एक गोली एक आदमी. So one equation, one variable. Two you can't. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now what is V? Is it 0?
Yes.
U is 20.
Okay, sir. Yes.
A I don't know. S is 1 by 10. What is 20 ka square?
400.
Oh my God.
Sir.
And this is 2 into 5, no?
Yes, sir.
A upon 5, no?
Okay, sir. Wait,
Can
A
I-
upon 5 equals to 400.
No, beta.
Minus 400.
Minus A upon 5 is 400. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So minus A is 2000. Not for load.
Followed, sir.
Followed.
So what will be A? Minus
Minus-
2000.
Minus 2000.
So that means what is retardation?
2000 meter per second square.
So
Minus 2000.
no, when you say retardation, don't put minus. Minus means retardation.
Okay, sir.
So final answer will be retardation equal to 2000 meter second raised to minus 2. Everybody has followed this sum?
Followed, sir.
Followed, sir.
Solve.
Equals to minus. Sir,
Then,
so
sir.
with this, if we get A, then we can easily find T, no?
But they have not asked now. Don't find T. Abhi time hai T ko na.
Time go.
So shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sixth. ये क्या कभी बुलेट कभी ट्रेन चला रहे हो? Now train is moving with 20 meters.
बुलेट ट्रेन ही चलाना चाहिए.
एक साथ बुलेट ट्रेन, एक बुलेट पहला 20 से भगाया, अभी ट्रेन को भगा रहे. Train is moving with speed of 20 meter per second. Is brought to rest. Means what?
Final position is
u
equal
equals
to
to
0.
20, v equals to 0,
Uh,
and it is retardation.
after what time it is brought to rest?
5 seconds.
5
5
seconds.
seconds.
3
Fine.
seconds.
Retardation means you will get answer negative, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See how simple it is.
That only.
A is b minus u upon p. B is 0, u is 20, t is 5. Minus 20 upon 5 is equal to minus 4 meter second raised to minus square. Therefore, retardation equals to 4 meter per second square. Any shock?
No, sir.
Sir, what did you say right now?
I said any shock?
No, sir. No shock.
Okay. So there is no bay shock.
मतलब?
मतलब ऐसे ही joke मारा है. Yeah, every time it won't have meaning. Sudhanshu,
Yes, sir.
tell me which chapter we are doing.
Sir, motion in one dimension.
Okay. This is chapter number what?
2.
10th का है क्या 12th का ही है?
9th standard.
अरे सही. So you are enjoying mango juice.
हैं?
Mango juice.
मैंगो जूस कहाँ से आ गया?
हाँ, sir.
अरे दे अपना सुधांशु मैंगो जूस पी रहा है आजकल.
हाँ, sir.
Tarun, you like mango juice?
Yes, sir.
अरे वाह. केवल?
No, sir. I don't like.
So you are in my category.
Wow.
Ice cream you like, na?
Correct.
Just give me few days. I will send the ice cream.
हाँ सर, मैंगो आइसक्रीम नहीं पसंद, नॉर्मल आइसक्रीम पसंद है.
Okay.
सिर्फ मैंगो खाना पसंद है. मैंगो आइसक्रीम.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
6th one completed. Everybody has done 6th.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो अभी क्या करेंगे? भजन करेंगे, भजन करेंगे.
7th सब
Seventh वाला.
करेंगे.
हाँ 7th सम करेंगे, भजन नहीं 7th.
हाँ सर. चलेगा.
A train travels. आई वापस ट्रेन. लॉकडाउन है ये ट्रेन चला रहा है. ट्रेन इज ट्रेवलिंग विद 60. क्या देखो डेयरिंग क्या, पहला 20 अब सीधा 60. पूरा रास्ता खाली लगता है.
सर इसको कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा.
यस वी हैव टू.
Yes.
अरे 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 एक मिनट जरा सब्र करो. सब किलोमीटर में ही दिया है तो चलेगा ना.
हाँ,
No
sir.
need to convert, sir.
60 kilometer per hour from station A.
Hmm.
From station A it goes to station
Station
B
B.
and again comes back.
वो ज्यादा स्पीड होता है, 80 किलोमीटर पर आवर.
But with speed of what?
U2 equals to 80 kilometer.
80 kilometer per hour.
80 kilometer per hour. Starts, goes to B with 60, comes back with 80. अरे तो
Velocity equals to 0.
find average speed. 1 minute. Average speed
Total distance upon total.
and then average velocity.
Total time.
But sir, in average speed, the total distance is not given only, and total time is also not given.
अब भी देखो यही तो आबरा का डाबरा है जादू. Let distance between A and B be D. मालूम नहीं इससे मैंने D लिख दिया. ओके
Yes, sir.
अभी देखते हैं अपना दिमाग. Average speed is total distance upon total time. Correct?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Total distance is D plus D. Don't say Didi. D plus D. D plus D. फर्स्ट टाइम मालूम नहीं T1, दूसरा टाइम मालूम नहीं T2. क्या झक्कास किया. D plus D is 2D. आइला ये T1 मतलब क्या? ये T1 क्या है? Is it T1 means time?
Yes, sir.
60 kilometer.
So time is 60 kilometer. Time खराब चालू है.
No.
Speed is distance upon time. So can I say time is distance upon speed?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So distance is D, first speed is U1. Second wala distance D, speed is U2. So I got T1, T2. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
पक्का आई शपथ दूंगा अभी सबको समझा
हाँ,
हाँ।
sir.
D plus D is 2D.
Yes, sir.
D can I
हाँ.
take common? 1 upon 60 plus 1 upon 80. Did
Yes.
D cancel?
Yes, sir.
2 upon
2 upon
LCM.
Jai Maharashtra.
Jai
80
Maharashtra.
plus
Cross
60 upon 4,800. Not followed.
Yes, sir.
अभी
हाँ,
ये
sir.
इसको ऊपर लेके जाओ क्या 4,800
हाँ,
हाँ,
sir.
sir, चलेगा.
80 plus 60 is 140.
80
Zero,
plus
Yes,
zero
sir.
cancel. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into
7.
7.
Oh, don't go to heaven, ना थोड़ा बाकी है अभी. Just copy this much, then I will do the calculation. Copy till this.
तो ब्रैकेट में लिखना है स्पीड इक्वल्स टू डी
नहीं 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 आपके दिमाग में है तो चलेगा नहीं है तो ब्रैकेट में चलेगा.
ओके सर.
Sir, आपने वो लेट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन की बात क्या लिखा है?
Let distance between A and B be D. A and B be D. Then total distance became D.
Yes, sir.
फोर 80 अपॉन 7 को क्या
Just divide in rough. हाथ से पैर से नहीं हाथ से करो. हाँ.
डायरेक्ट आंसर देख लेते हैं बेस्ट.
नहीं नहीं.
68.57 किलोमीटर पर आवर.
हाँ हमारे आदमी चारों तरफ फैले हुए हैं देख रहे हैं.
हमारा करेक्शन दूर दूर तक है 800 तक भी है.
This is equal to C 480 upon 7. What is 7 into 7?
49.
49.
नहीं ले सकते ये 48 है.
7, 6.
So 7
60
7
से
6
ज्यादा है.
42.
हाँ.
Yes.
What is remainder?
60.
7 8 are 56.
Yes.
Yes.
Remainder 4. 7 5 are 35.
Yes.
Remainder 5. 7 7 are 49.
Yes. None.
This many kilometer per hour. What will be average velocity?
Because displacement is 0, so
Answer 0.
हाँ, correct.
So first we'll write total displacement upon total time. Total time. Total displacement is did they?
Yes.
No, sir.
It is
D minus D equals to 0.
Ah,
So
D
can I
minus.
say right 0
Yes.
upon total time? That means final answer 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So D 0 upon total time. 0.
0 is the answer.
Done, sir.
8.
Done?
Sir.
Yes, Sid, what you are saying? Yes, Sidhu, done?
Sidhu?
Done, sir.
Sudhanshu.
Okay. 8 song.
वापस ट्रेन. अरे अभी बस हो गया ट्रेन. कौन
लॉकडाउन
चलाएगा?
चल रहा है.
गाड़ी
हाँ,
है.
ये
बस भी
बार
कोई
बार.
नहीं चलाएगा.
और ऊपर देखो पहला 60 का स्पीड अभी डेयरिंग देखो 90 किया.
हाँ, क्योंकि कोई दूसरी ट्रेन है ही नहीं ना.
रास्ता पूरा खाली लगता है.
सिर्फ स्पीड ही बदल रहा है. ट्रेन का
Traffic.
ट्रेन ही है.
या फिर
Traffic.
लाइट गई इसलिए ट्रैफिक सिग्नल बंद है.
हाँ सही.
ट्रेन में भी ट्रैफिक सिग्नल होता है.
A train is moving with velocity of 90 kilometer. I think it's Rajdhani train. Very fast.
हाँ सर.
It is brought to rest. Who is bringing it to rest?
The
ब्रेक
brakes.
Brakes.
So finally it is 0
equals to 90 kilometer per hour.
and V is 0. When
We have to
brakes
convert you.
produces, no, 1 minute afterwards we'll say. Retardation means minus, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Minus. The velocity after 10 seconds. So I'm writing V dash, velocity after 10 seconds. And time taken for the train to come to rest. Time T, when train comes to rest means when finally V becomes 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
I think you didn't follow this English. Everybody followed?
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you convert this?
5 by 18.
18 into 5 is 90.
Yes, sir. 24.
See how smart I am. I know table of 18. So this will become then 25 na?
Yes, sir.
Meter per second. But be careful. बाजू वाले के पेज पे मत जाना आप. I have gone. बाजू वाला बहुत चिल्लाएगा मुझे. What is formula for acceleration? V given, U given, T given, and V dash we want. What is acceleration?
V minus
T minus
U.
U upon T.
But whenever V is V dash, then T is 10, no?
Yes.
Not followed.
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 If I write only T, that means I'm talking about when only V, then V is 0. That much I'm talking. But first part के लिए what is V? They are telling V dash ना बीच में किधर तो
Yes, sir.
A is minus 0.5, B dash we don't know, U is 25 and T is 10. What is 0.5 into 10?
Equal
Five.
to
5
5
minus
minus 5.
Minus 5B minus 25. So minus 5 plus 25 is B, no?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
20 is V dash equals, sorry, dash. So V dash is 20. What does it mean? When time is 10 seconds, that time it was not stopped. Okay?
Okay, sir.
मतलब देखो
Okay,
गाड़ी गाड़ी स्टार्ट हो गया 10 सेकंड के बाद वो रुका नहीं ना इसलिए 20 बराबर.
Yes, sir.
तो जब भी रुका वो टाइम पे टाइम क्या था, वो टाइम पे टाइम क्या था निकालेंगे हम लोग. A is constant, V is 0, U from start 25 and time from start T. I hope you followed.
Followed.
Followed, sir.
See
Follow,
again,
sir.
A का formula is V minus U upon T. A is minus 5, V is 0 upon T. So can I say minus 5T is minus 25?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, T is minus 25 upon minus 5.
Yes.
Find the time when
माइनस माइनस कट हो जाएगा तो 50 सेकेंड
ऐसा 50
सेकेंड
5 into 5 तो 5 आएगा ना.
So, but acceleration is 0.5.
Oh, 0.5. Okay. Acceleration is 0.5. ट्रेन खराब है ये,
हाँ सर.
है ना?
50 सेकेंड
So
उतने में स्टेशन चला जाएगा.
Yes, 0.5, 0.5 minus cancel. So can I say 250 upon 5? Decimal I have removed. That means 50 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Followed?
we can do like that also, no? V minus V dash minus
Yes, yes, yes. You can.
2 minus 5.
You can. Sorry.
10 into 550.
Yes.
Done, sir. अब लॉकडाउन में गाड़ी चलेगी. कार
Just a minute.
Okay. अभी देखो कार आ गया.
डॉक्टर की कार गाड़ी.
Yes, with red sticker on it.
10 meter with a constant acceleration and average
First, everybody complete it. Don't rush. Huh? Understand the sums. All are very simple. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
Ninth, yes, ninth. A car क्या बेकार? Oh, sorry, a car. A car travels distance of 100 meter. Low कर लो बात. Car
Yes.
is traveling 100 meter
S equal to 100 meters.
with a constant acceleration and average speed. That is its average speed. So I can say uniformly it is moving with average speed.
Average
That means
velocity.
average velocity. Okay, u. Start का जो भी है ना वो u. Final velocity we want v. No, final velocity is given.
दिया है.
Average velocity 20. Final velocity required is given as 25. Find the initial velocity and acceleration of the car. Okay. कार के
Actually में V dash दिया है.
Don't say anything which is wrong. You can tell V dash दिया है क्या. You can't say V dash is given because it may be wrong. What is meaning of V dash? Let me clarify, Sudhanshu. What is meaning of V dash? What is V dash? Tell me.
Velocity.
So here it is average velocity given. Why it will be V dash?
Okay.
V dash is velocity. Then what is V? If V dash is velocity,
Sir, I don't know about V dash. But V is velocity.
so before knowing, don't utter because it will become difficult. See, body is starting U. ये बीच में कुछ भी वेलोसिटी है उसको v डैश नाम दिया. मैं कुछ भी नाम दे सकता हूँ ना. Other than u is v ना.
Yes, sir.
And final we are calling as v. तो ये ऐसा हो सकता है ना. You start इसको v1 बोलो v डैश बोलो क्या फर्क पड़ने वाला है. They are just notation. Only you have to keep in mind u is your starting velocity. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And v dash may be anywhere in between. V dash may be anywhere in between. लास्ट वाले को v बोलो. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
अभी बराबर देखो ध्यान से. See, if you write data properly, now 50% we have done. Car travels at distance of 100 with constant acceleration, which I don't know. I'm writing word में average velocity. क्यों tension लो? Average velocity is 20 meter per second. The final velocity acquired means this too I can write by v or not.
Yes, sir.
Final velocity acquired by car is 25. Find the initial velocity means u, correct? Yes, correct.
Yes, sir.
Find acceleration of the car. Find initial velocity and acceleration of the car. Distance traveled is 100. Average velocity is 20. So what is average velocity formula? Total distance upon total time, not followed.
Sure, but we don't have time.
But we have distance, we have average velocity, we'll get time.
Okay.
Not understood.
Yes, sir.
So average velocity is 20. Distance is 100. Time we want. So I got time 100 upon 20. That means it is 5 seconds. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now let them ask anything I can do because I have got all the instruments with me. So can I say S is also UT plus half AT square?
Yes.
So 100 equals to U into 5. No, this won't work because we are not knowing A and U, two things. We got time T as 5. A is missing. They want initial velocity and acceleration of the car. Finally, car is coming to final velocity acquired is 25. A is also missing. V is U plus AT. U plus V upon 2 is distance upon time. Again, average velocity is U plus V upon 2 into total distance S upon time. Any doubt now?
No, no, sir.
No, sir.
Now we don't know U. We know V 25 upon 2 is equals to distance is how much? 100.
100.
And time is what?
5 seconds.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. 5 into 20. So U plus 25 is 40. Therefore U is nothing
40
but
minus
50.
25.
So 15 meter per second. Follow?
Yes.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Pakka.
Right. Right.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Not done, sir.
Sir, so now we can find acceleration, no?
एक
V
एक shot.
minus U upon 2.
एक minute रुको. This much you have copied?
No, sir.
Right.
Done, sir.
Okay. We want acceleration now. What is acceleration? V minus U upon time.
V upon T.
How much V we got? It is given 25. No?
Yes.
And U how much we got? 15.
15.
Time how much we got? 5.
5.
So this is 10 upon 5.
Yes, sir.
That
Two.
is 2 meter per second. No? 2 meter per second square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Sir.
So fast you are doing. Next.
सर अभी आपने ट्रेन पे बस बोला तो बस आ गई.
हाँ इधर बस है. ओ
हाँ सर, आपने बोला था ना कितना ट्रेन
हाँ.
बस करो, बस आ गई.
लगता है ये लोग जान लेके ही दम लेंगे. When brakes are applied to a bus, retardation is, what is retardation? Minus, no?
Minus acceleration.
So minus 25 centimeter per second square. And bus takes 20 seconds to stop. Bus takes 20 seconds to stop. So finally V comes to 0, no? Into 20 seconds.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Find what is initial speed. Velocity means S. Distance means U and S. We have to find. V, TA given U we want. So can I use that formula? V is U plus AT.
Yes, sir.
V is 0, U we want, A is minus 25, T is 20. Hello?
Yes, sir. Follow.
Follow, sir.
V is 0 equals to U minus 500. So U equals to
500 centimeter. 5
centimeter. That means how many meter? 5, na?
5.
What is S ka formula? UT plus half AT square.
Yes, sir.
Because we know U, we know T, we know half, we know A, we know T. So U is 5, T is 20 plus half. U is 5, but in meter U is 5, huh? Not in centimeter. So our A should be converted into centimeter. 1 minute, wait. Wait. First, I'm converting that centimeter to meter to avoid confusion everywhere. How to convert 25 centimeter to meter?
1/4 meter equals to 25 centimeter.
So I have to divide it by 100.
Yes.
That means it will become 1 by 4.
Yes.
So my acceleration is 1 by 4. 4 5s are 20. So U equals to 5 meter per second. Okay. Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now putting the values in S equal to UT plus half UT. Since S is UT plus half 80 square. So 5 into 20 plus half into minus 1 by 4. T square is 20 square. 5 into 20 is 100 plus
Yes,
1
sir.
upon 2 plus into minus is minus into 1 by 4 into 400. Okay.
Okay, sir.
4 into 100, 2 into 50. Therefore, this is 100 minus 50, which is 50 meter. Okay. चलो, करो.
Done, sir.
अरे so
Not done,
fast.
sir.
Not done, sir.
Not
Done.
done, sir.
Do. आराम से, एकदम आराम से.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
11.
UT plus half 80 square. No?
11 देखो अभी बुड्ढी आ गया. अरे बॉडी आ गया. अरे वाह वाह वाह. बस गया, ट्रेन गया, कार गया, बुड्ढी आ गई. अब बॉडी मूव्स. बुड्ढी नहीं है, बॉडी है. From rest means U is 0 or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And uniform acceleration travels 750, 270 meter in what time? 3 seconds.
Yes, sir.
Find velocity V after 10 seconds from start. So I'm calling this time as T1. 10 seconds from start. So with this 3, can you get acceleration?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct, huh? We can get, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
S is UT plus half 80 square. So 270 is 0 into 3 plus half. A is, I don't know, into 3 square. So 270 is 0 plus half A into 9. So 270 is 9 by 2A. Therefore 9A is 270 into 2. So A will become 270 into 2 upon 9. 9 into 30. So 60 meter per second square. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
No. A we can always write with any V with any U. So final V, initial U, total time from start is T1. That means that 60 is v, which we want at the end of 10 seconds, start with 0 upon 10. So therefore v will become 600 meter per second. Clear?
Yes, sir.
देखो थोड़ा
Yes, sir.
डिफिकल्ट है, इतना इजी नहीं है. एस यू टी गिवन, तो आई थॉट एस इज यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. कौन मिस है? ए मिस है ना.
हाँ सर.
See, I cannot use v square equal to u square plus 2s because I don't know acceleration. तो ये गया, इसलिए मैंने acceleration सोचा पहले. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
So
सर आपने वो लास्ट का क्या लिखा है? v इज इक्वल टू
600.
ओके सर.
60 into 10, 600.
यस सर. डन सर.
Not
Sir,
done.
wait.
Yes.
Hundred meter per second.
Done, sir.
600. Yes, everybody has done.
यस सर.
चलो अभी एकदम आराम से पढ़ते हैं दूसरा सम. A body moving with constant acceleration travels distance of 3 meter and 8 meter. Wow. So travels distance of 3 meter and distance of 8 meter. Can I call this as S1, this as S2?
यस सर.
Correct.
Hmm.
In time t1 as 1 second and t2 2 seconds. Calculate initial velocity means u and acceleration means a. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
U भी मालूम नहीं, a भी मालूम नहीं, इसलिए दो बार S दिया है ना.
हाँ sir.
So now it is like आदमी दो, गोली भी दो. S is ut plus half at square or not.
यस सर.
Yes, sir. Correct.
S is 3, first one. You have to find first time is 1 plus half. A I don't know. First time is 2 at 1.
Yes, sir.
So that means this is S1 equals to UT1. Confusion. U into 1 is what?
यू.
U.
U plus half into A. Okay.
Okay.
So from this, can you say 3 minus half A equal to U, no?
Yes, sir.
Question 1. Again, S is UT plus half AT square. So S2 is UT2 plus half A T2 square. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So 8 equals to U into 2 plus half A into 2 square. 8 equal to 2U plus half A into 4. 2 2s are 4. 8 is 2U plus 2A. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, 8 minus 2A is 2U. 8 minus 2A upon 2 is U. ABU, ABU. So when right hand side same, left hand side should be same, no?
Yes, sir.
See, suppose somebody says, sir, I like Madhuri Dixit. No. You say, Sudhanshu, which actress you like?
Sir, I like actor.
Oh, Keval?
No idea.
Okay. I say like this. I like my son. My son says, I like mummy. That means I also like mummy, no?
Yes, sir.
Not followed, I think.
Not followed properly.
I like mummy. My son likes mummy. So we both like each other also or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Ah,
left hand, right hand side is same. So can I say left hand side will be same?
Yes.
Somebody says 10 equal to A. दूसरा बोला no, 10 equal to B. मतलब A equal to B ना?
Yes.
Still not followed, I think.
Followed, sir.
not followed, sir.
So my right hand side are same. That means left hand side is also same, no?
Yes.
So can I say from 1 and 2, right hand side is same, therefore left hand side same.
Got it, sir.
Okay. From 1 and 2, 3 minus A by 2 is 8 minus 2A by 2. Okay.
We can do like 4 minus u equals, no, 4 minus a equals to u.
You can very well do that. You can do. So chalo, I am doing like that only. और चलो इसके आगे कर देते हैं. Can we do take Jai Maharashtra here? 3A
Yes, sir.
minus
Yeah.
2 upon 2 is 8 minus 2 upon 2. 2 fit 2 no. So 3A minus 2, 8 minus 2A, 3A plus 2A is 8 plus 2, 5A is 10. So A is 10 upon 5 means 2, na?
Yes, sir.
So we got acceleration as 2 meter per second square. Now this A value I will put in 1, I will get it. So simple, no?
Yes, sir.
See, again listen. First displacement formula, get one equation. Second displacement, get second equation. That one. Shall I explain again?
No, sir.
Or lengthy, please understand and do. Take your own time.
Done, sir.
Not done, sir.
Done, sir.
Yes.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now A I got 2. I can put A value either in 1 or 2. So we will write
1.
yes from 1
2 is better. 4 minus a.
substituting A is 2 meter per second square in 1. What is first equation?
Substituting A is equal to 2 meter
4
per second.
minus a is better.
What we got first equation?
Sir, 3 minus half A is equal to U.
So it will be 3 minus 2 upon 2 is U. 3 minus 1 is U. 2 equal to U. U equals to 2 meter per second. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Solve.
Yes, sir.
I'm doing only till 12th, otherwise it will be overdose for you. Just practice all sums 2 times. Tomorrow there is lecture for you.
Yes, sir.
Checking.
What time tomorrow? Just check. Just
Sir,
check.
10 to 11.
10 to 11 is too late now for you all. 9 to 10 you want?
Yes, sir, that's also fine.
Others-
सर थोड़ा सोना पड़ेगा.
सोना नहीं, चांदी है.
वो नहीं, that's
अच्छा.
sleeping.
आप लोग देखो, नहाने का जरूरत नहीं है ना.
सर नहाने के बिना बास आती है.
नहीं,
बिना
इधर
मैं
तो इधर.
पढ़ाई नहीं होता.
तो 9:15 ना तेरा ना मेरा 9:15
ओके सर.
ओके सर.
चलेगा. पक्का लॉक करूं?
हाँ
हाँ
सर.
सर.
Lock.
सर कितने बजे आपने बोला वापस बोलोगे?
9:15. I will post it again.
In the
Tomorrow's
morning.
lecture at 9:15. 9:15 is okay for you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir. Sir
Okay.
15 or 50?
15.
Okay sir.
Yes, 15. So just relax for 10 minutes. I'm sending the paper so that you can get full mark in that.
Okay sir.
So best of
Okay,
luck.
sir.
Sir,
Yes.
which
Thank
topic
you.
paper?
2C I told na 2C.
Oh, अच्छा sir.
What I told? 2C only I told na?
Yes, sir, only 2C.
Yes sir.
Yes. Chalo, Bills. 2C is very simple. It is only numerical and